Right, so this is a short clip of Klopp speaking in a press conference just after the 7-0 victory over Manchester United. So obviously he's pretty happy here. We will have a look at the clip and then we'll look at some of the vocabulary in it. So here we go, here's the clip.
Freak result, top performance. Really top performance from the start. I thought the way we started the game was really special. It was one of the best. For a long time we were there, we were aggressive, but we played football, we were calm in the right moments, super lively, super active. In other moments, after 25 minutes, opened up a bit. United came a bit better found a bit better into the game. But then the late goal before half-time was a sensational goal. Like the Robbo, what Robbo's doing there, cutting inside, and is then really calm. What we actually were asking for, that in these moments we have to give ourselves time to get into the right position, and then Cody realized it early enough that Robbo wants to pass the ball there, and a super finish. Second half starts like I don't think the second half could start better. With the two goals we forced there pretty much, and from that moment on, the boys were flying, and then it was really difficult to play against us. And freak result.
Freak result. Freak has a few different meanings. Basically here it just means very uncommon. A 7-0 victory over Manchester United is very uncommon. That does not happen every day, so it is a freak result. You can also call a person a freak. However, this is an insult usually. Don't go around calling people a freak. It basically is a way of saying they're very weird, they're very strange, and it's not a nice thing to say. However, you could use it in a positive context, particularly when you speak about athletes, if you're speaking about football players. Erling Haaland is a good example of this. He's very big, he's very strong, he's very skilled, he's scoring an enormous amount of goals everywhere in the Premier League, in the Champions League. He's just scoring. So you could say that Haaland is a freak. He's a freak player, and in this case, it would be a good thing. But usually it's bad, so don't call people freaks.
Top performance.
Top performance. Top just means very good. So Klopp's happy with Liverpool's performance. Their performance is top. You can use this to describe anything really. A good player, a top player, a good match, a good game, top match, top game, a good goal, top goal. So you can just use it like that. It's not very common in America, I think. English people say it a lot. If you go to England, you'll hear it all the time. I think Americans don't use it too often, but they would definitely understand it. But anyone who wants to go work in England, you can just describe everything top, top, top. They like that.
After 25 minutes, opened up a bit.
Opened up. If you say a game opens up, it means before that moment, the teams were playing probably very defensively. They were not being very aggressive. There were not a lot of opportunities. And then the team started to become more aggressive and there's more chances at goal. So you would say the game opens up. For example, if you're describing a match, you could say, oh, the first 20 minutes were a bit slow. There was only one opportunity. But after that, the match opened up and it finished 3-2.
The late goal before half-time was a sensational goal.
Sensational goal. Very good goal. This goal was incredible. This goal was amazing. Or it was sensational.
What Robbo's doing there, cutting inside.
If you cut inside, usually this means you are the player with the ball. You are in possession, usually, and you will be dribbling on the wing. On the right or the left, doesn't matter. But you're dribbling on the wing, and then instead of continuing to the end of the pitch, you decide to turn and go towards the goal. So you dribble down the wing, turn, and cut inside.
From that moment on, the boys were flying.
The boys were flying. No, there is no aeroplane. They're not in the sky. Liverpool is not up in the air. It's got nothing to do with actually flying. Flying in this case is a common phrase to say they have a lot of momentum and they're performing very well, or they were performing very well in this match. For example, last time I checked, Barcelona were leading La Liga by 9 points. They're winning a lot of games, they're scoring a lot of goals, and they're doing very, very well. So Barcelona are flying. Liverpool were flying in this match, but they are not flying in the league. They're having a bit of a rough time in the league, actually. If you've got any videos, anything you would like me to review and explain the English from, explain some of the words, please comment below with the link. I'll have a look and I'll put something together for you. Cheers, guys.